Flash here, and today I'm going to show you how to reserve your place in class. So when you log into WODIFY, the first screen you'll be taken to is the daily WOD for that current day. From here, click this calendar tab in the top left hand corner of the screen to be taken to the calendar that lets you view all the classes of CrossFit Fornix over the coming week. So we'll click on that. And you'll notice that each day in its date is on the left hand side of the calendar, meaning this. So here's the day, here's the date, here's the day, here's the date on the left hand side of this calendar. Underneath each day, you will see all the classes available on this day. So say today, Wednesday the 25th of January 2017, we've already had our 6 AM class, but there is still currently going to be a 4:30 PM class, 4:30 PM Open Gym Daily WOD, 5:30 PM CrossFit, and a 6:30 PM CrossFit as well. As you move across the calendar to the right, you will notice there is a reservations column. This column shows you how many athletes, so in this case 0, have reserved a place in that particular class and how many places remain in that class until it's at maximum capacity. So the number on the left is how many people reserved for the class, and the number on the right is how many places total. So in this class here, there's already 1 reserved, so there is 19 places left. The next column along to the right, you'll see a little calendar icon. This is the reserve button. We'll come back to this in a moment. The next column along to the right tells you what program the class in its corresponding row is. For example, the 5:30 PM CrossFit class, which is here, falls under the program of CrossFit. In the next column to the right, you'll find the start time of the class, and in the next column along, the finish time of that class. In the final column, you'll see who's coaching that class, so in this case, the lovely Miss Louise Benoit. So back to the column that contains the little calendar icon. We're going to use the 4:30 PM Open Gym Daily WOD for this example, okay guys? So if I click on the little calendar icon that is aligned with the class that I want to reserve my place in, I'll click on this little calendar. Now we notice 3 things will happen here. This green box will drop down from the top of the screen telling you that you have successfully reserved your place in class. The second thing, in the reservation column, you'll see a little number 1 pop up next to the maximum capacity number if you're the first athlete to reserve a place in that class for that day, or the number of already reserved athletes will increase by 1 next to the maximum capacity number if you are not already the first athlete to reserve a place in that class for that day. And finally, the calendar icon that you originally clicked on will change to a little white box looking icon that you will no longer be able to click, and a no smoking looking symbol to the right of it will appear. To cancel your reservation in class, if you are either not going to make it or you've changed your mind about which class you wish to do that day, click this no smoking looking icon and this will remove your reservation from that class. So you'll notice this green square reappears telling me that I've successfully cancelled my reservation in class. You'll also notice that the number for this class has dropped back down to 1. So that is how to reserve your place in class and how to cancel your reservation in class. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you at the box.